Watch AI create a pending parts and supply chain dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our supply chain data. Bricks instantly recognizes the file structure and begins processing. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. The AI is analyzing our data, identifying key patterns in order statuses, delivery dates, and supplier performance. It's automatically generating the most relevant visualizations for supply chain management. And just like that, our pending parts and supply chain dashboard is complete with 5 interactive charts and 2 comprehensive tables showing order distributions, pending quantities, supplier delays, and delivery timelines. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's see it in presentation mode. This full-screen view is perfect for executive briefings and team meetings. The clean layout highlights critical supply chain bottlenecks and pending orders across all locations and suppliers. Back to edit mode, we can interact with every element, drill down into specific data points, and customize layouts as needed. The dashboard updates in real time as new data flows in. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.